Alpha.
Hi, my name is Ainsley. Today we are at the beach with Cody and Olive, and I'm going to share with you guys how to take good photos with the Sony A7C. When I shoot dogs or cats, I always go down to their eye level because it will make a better composition in my photos. And this 360 articulating screen means that I don't have to lie down on the ground with them. Sometimes it's kind of hard to control excited dogs or get them to follow instructions. So I will actually follow their leads and I will be moving and running around with them. And Alpha 7C is really small and lightweight for me to move around without having a muscle ache. My shutter speed is usually above 1/1000 so that I can actually freeze the moments and even the water droplets when they are swimming. If you want to do outdoor photos, I would recommend early morning or late afternoon. That's when the sunlight is kind of soft and give a nice glow to your subject. When I shoot dogs in action, especially when they are playing or jumping or running, they actually have very funny and different expressions. This is where the 10 frames per second come in really handy, and I know that I will not miss any moments. Dogs and cats will not be always facing me when I take the photo, so I can actually use the touch screen tracking to get my focus on the dog. To capture action shots in continuous mode, it actually tends to drain battery really fast. So it's important for me to choose a camera with good battery life so that I won't run out of battery halfway shooting my pets. Thank you for joining us today. Do join us in the next two videos. I will be sharing more tips on how to shoot in low light and indoor.
Sony